Welcome to another episode of Cymatics. Right, so in this video, I'm going to talk about multiplying two numbers. Right, I'm going to present a very elegant and easy way to multiply two numbers. Right, so before getting on to that, let me first explain what is place value. Right, if you take a number, right, we had taken the number 83,574. There are 5 digits. Each digit has a place value. The digit 4 has a place value of 1. Right? It's called the ones digit. It tells us how many ones are there in the number. And 7 is the tens digit. It tells us how many tens there are in the number. 5 is the hundreds digit. 3 is the thousands digit. And 8 is the 10,000s digit. So this number has 8 10,000, 3 thousands, 5 hundreds, 7 tens and 4 ones, right? And it's read 83,574. I'm sure most of you are quite familiar with this. The actual multiplication, right? We are going to take a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number, 64 and 37. We are going to multiply the tens digit by the ones digit in 2 different ways. 6 times 7, 3 times 4, and add the 2, 54, and transfer it over here. Next, we write the two numbers one below the other and multiply vertically the tens digit by the tens digit, the ones digit by the ones digit. That is 6 times 3, 18, and 4 times 7, 28. And 18 and 28 are placed below 54 as shown here. And then we just add 8, 6, 13, 3, and 1, 2. Now we will look at a 3-digit number, 748 and 356. So first step, we multiply the hundreds digit by the ones digit in 2 ways. 7 times 6, 42, 3 times 8, 24, add the 2, 66. And 66 is transferred below the two numbers to be multiplied. Second step is we multiply the hundreds digit by the tens digit 2 ways. 7 times 5, 3 times 4, 35 and 12, 47. Then we multiply the tens digit by the ones digit in 2 ways. 4 times 6, 24, 5 times 8, 40, and add the 2, 64. Then 46 and 64 are transferred over here. The final step is to multiply the numbers vertically. That means we are going to multiply the hundreds digit by the hundreds digit. That's 7 times 3 is equal to 21. Then we multiply the tens digit by the tens digit. That's 4 times 5 is 20. And finally 8, the units digit by the units digit, which is 8 times 6, 48. Right? And these three numbers, 21, 20 and 48, are transferred up there. Right, and the final step is add all these numbers, right, and you get an answer 266,288. So it is as simple as that. Now let's look at how to multiply a 4-digit number by another 4-digit number. Okay, so we write the two numbers one below the other. The first step is to multiply the thousands digit by the ones digit. 4 times 4 plus 5 times 7, that's 16 plus 35, 51, and that's moved over here. Next step is the thousands digit by the tens digit. 4 times 3, 5 times 3, 12 and 15, 27. Then hundreds digit by the units digit. 6 times 4, 24, and 8 times 7, 56, 80. So we move 27 and 80 over here. Then we multiply the thousands digit by the tens digit. 4 times 8 plus 5 times 6, 30, 62. Then the hundredths digit by the tens digit, 6 times 3 and 8 times 3, which is 42. And finally the tens digit by the ones digit. 3 times 4, 3 times 7, 21 and 12, 33. And all these three numbers, 62, 42 and 33, are moved over here and placed as shown in this diagram. Then the final step is to multiply in the vertical direction. 4 times 5, 20, 6 times 8, 48, 3 times 3, 0, 9, 7 times 4, 28. And these four numbers, 20, 48, 09 and 28, are moved over here. And then as the final step, we add vertical. That gives us 85225072 in reverse. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you can make use of this. Right here, you must note that the working looks extensive, but all this is done in your head. You are only going to write the numbers the way it's presented in the right hand corner and add. Thank you.